This is my attempt to do a frame rate test on some things. Now you see I was watching this thing now. The Hobbit was recorded at a very high frame rate and was released into theaters at 48 frames per second, which means that movements are very, very smooth. Like this is being recorded right now at 4K 60. It is too windy. All right, let's try that again. So this video is being recorded at 4K 60 frames per second, which means that the movement of this flag is being recorded at a very smooth motion. So my theory is, what if I was to slow this video down, render it at a low frame rate, and then speed it back up to normal speed, would it give the appearance of being animated like I know animators probably strive to have really realistic movements, but are usually restricted by time and resources to having to do, like, animate something like this on, like, maybe 8 frames per second or something like that. So that's what an object would look like. Now there's a scene in the show Keep Your Hands Off Izoken, which I would really like to parody, which the producer character of Kanamori gives a big speech. And while she's giving the speech, she moves her hand around like this while reading off her lines. And very, very, fancy and important big speech. And I wondered, if I was to do the same thing with the movement, would it give me the appearance of being animated and doing all sorts of things? Yeah, don't know. I thought, being a very windy day, it was a very good day to try that out. And just for the sake of Daffy Duckness, I think I'll try the one line, which is, gotta channel my Daffy Duck. A close up, you jerk! A close up!
真面目にやれ